Hey guys, we're headed to...
What's up, yo?
We're headed to McGee Creek State Park
In Idaho.
in Atoka, Oklahoma.
Oh, Oklahoma.
So we have a little bit of driving to do.
Got a bunch of damn bikes in front of us.
Yeah.
Not like motorcycles, but freaking bikes. Freaking killing it. Going 22 freaking miles an hour.
Slowing us down.
So we'll see you guys when we get there. Y'all be safe out there. Remember, live live.
Live live.
Remember, live, laugh, and most importantly, love. Even if you got a bunch of damn bicycles in front of you. So see y'all when we get there.
We'll see you there.
Start something. I want to start a camper wave. You know, you got the Jeep wave and you got the motorcycle wave. We're going to start the camper wave. Hey, yo, what's up? Every time you pass a camper, you got to wave at them. Let's start this. What in the front door is going? Okay, the moment you pass right out of Texas, it's like they can't drive. I mean, come on now. Alright, we'll see y'all. We got about an hour and 11 minutes to get to our campsite. So
we'll see you when we get there.
We'll see you when we get there.
Okay guys, we made it to our campsite. It's pretty nice out here at Atoka at McGee Creek State Park. Pete's just doing the last little bit of leveling.
Yeah, I'm a leveler. This ain't leveling. It's called stabilizing.
Stabilizing.
Level. You don't level with these. You stabilize. Son of a bitch.
We're hoping we're in the right spot. There's not a place to check in at. Everything's done all online, which I did. But usually when we go, there's somewhere you pull up and check in, let them know you're here.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm videoing.
You ain't looking at the camera while you're talking?
No, I'm looking at everything else.
There's somebody coming that's with the park.
Okay, let me see what they say.
Hey guys, let me ask you if you've dealt with this situation, man. I'm out here busting my hump. I got the trailer leveled. I got everything done. And she's over here like, you ready to go for a walk? We need to go for a walk. We need to go do something. I'm like, look, here. You ready for that walk? We're gonna go take a walk and we'll show you guys something if we find anything cool. All right.
Hey babe, anything to say?
I think here's the shitter station. Is it? Is that the pump and dump?
Don't drink it. Do not use for drinking.
I mean, we need to freaking Google that shit. I mean, little embarrassing. Over here. Oh, shitter. Like, sir.
So you're not supposed to be dumping that there.
That's not for the shit water, boy. Look at that. That's pretty.
I'd act like I don't know you.
User fee for all shelter users.
So you have to pay a fee? Oh, for the shelters. I guess if you want to rent a pavilion.
I can get naked.
You could do this little spinny thing.
What the hell's a little spinny thing?
Try it.
What do you do?
Spin around in circles. Make yourself dizzy. Come on, you got to use them muscles. Or you could ride on this.
Let's go down here.
Okay, we're going to keep looking for some spots to show y'all. Okay guys, we're going down to the swimming beach. It's kind of through the woods, over the rocks. See if I don't fall and break my neck. Watch for snakes.
Oh! Why don't you walk where I walk?
I am. Swimming beach, I think of a sandy, nice beach area. Oh no, not this area. It's a path straight into the water.
I think like you said, I think it says the rain.
But it could be from all the rain. Texas and Oklahoma's got hit with a ton of rain. But it's a nice area.
Guys ever come out to McGee, Oklahoma State Park, whatever it is you want to get, McGee Creek 4. Back right up to the water. Go out there in the middle of the night, get you a little bit of in secret, a little bit of light. Look at that. That's beautiful. I don't know who this guy is. He is one lucky sucker. Look at that truck. Oh, look at his little camper. That air conditioner's blasting. Oh, look at that thing. That sucker's beautiful. Ooh, boy. This is freaking awesome, man. You know, I'm not an emotional person, but the more I get to spend time with my boo bear, my sweetie, I actually, you know, I get, it's like, what the hell was that character, that Christmas thingy? The Grinch? My heart just... Talk to you later.